How to get the Google search bar on your Android home screen. This tutorial shows you how to add the Google search widget directly onto your home screen. First, long press on any empty area of your home screen to enter the customization mode. After that, tap on Widgets to open the widget library. From there, scroll through the list and find Google to expand its widgets. At this point, look for the search bar widget and tap and hold on it. In the next step, drag it onto your home screen and place it wherever you want it to appear. Following this, once you let go, it will be placed on your home screen and is ready to use straight away. Finally, tap anywhere outside to exit the customization mode, and you'll see the Google search bar sitting right there on your home screen, ready to go. And that's it. If this guide helped you add the Google search bar to your home screen on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.